Yeah.
It's going great.
You liking it?
It's beautiful. I love it.
How's it handling
color.
out there for you today?
It is going like it's on rails.
Is it better than the other bike?
Just a little bit. Don't tell my other bike that because I'm keeping her too. I'm growing my stable just like you. I've got 7 more bikes and I'll catch up to you.
Awesome.
I got a few to go.
Digging it. It's a cool bike, man. Love it. I really love the front fender with the flames on it. Is that your personal touch?
It does say something. This thing breathes fire for sure.
It's a little Harley. It has a little Harley influence there.
That's right. That does. Yeah.
Cool.
Sets it apart. And the chicken strips are getting very, very small.
Yes, I noticed that when up at the gas station. Let's make note of that. Let's get it on tape.
Do that. Really small chicken strips.
They're about half inch maybe.
Yeah, man. That's I didn't get that.
You want to
ever.
see something special?
Hold on till I whip this out. Ray, not in public, please. He's a crazy man, that Ray. He's a wild man. Got a beautiful Indian here. Who owns this beast? It's the Pursuit. We got Roger's Ducati, his Multistrada V4S right here, his brand new bike. He's got the full Akrapovic exhaust on here. It's looking good. He's got the can underneath, as we can see. Dual pipes going into the muffler. Nice bike, Raj. We got a BMW K1600 GT here. Another beautiful machine. Who owns this beast?
Me.
Oh, that's you. How do you like your bike? How's it handling out here today?
It's just fantastic. I've been right behind this guy, Tom, on a Ducati.
Yeah?
And it's so cool because he has a blind spot detector. And when I pull up beside him, a little yellow
You
light
noticed
comes
that,
on
huh?
in the mirror. I love that thing. Every bike should have it.
Oh, wait, that's me.
Yeah, that's you. Yeah, great day for a ride, Tom.
Hell yeah, this is like beautiful day. Why can't I wish summer could be like this every day in the summer. Like
Yeah.
you're talking June, July,
Humidity's
August.
not bad.
I know, it's excellent.
It's just feeling really good today.
It's a beautiful thing.
And it is. And we got more to go.
I got my bike here today. It's running flawlessly today. I might have to remap, but so far it feels pretty good. There's no pops, no backfires. Everything's looking good underneath. The pipes are looking great. They're holding up awesome. Nothing fell off yet. This is good. It's a good day. We got Ilya's V-Strom here. I think it's 1000 cc. Another beautiful bike. We got Ray's bike right here, K1600 GTL, looking good. We have a Triumph here. Whoa, look at this. It's a rocket, old school rocket. Look at that. Got speakers on the back and everything. We got a little Indian here. What's this? It's got the purple thing going on. We got a badass Ducati over here. Who owns this beast? Hey, dude, so how you like your Ducati today?
It's slow.
It's slow.
It's slow.
I don't think so.
Nah, it's fun bike.
Got the full titanium exhaust on here. This is going on my YouTube channel, by the way. I haven't.
Wait, you've seen him at Ace Cafe?
Yeah.
Video on all the.
Yeah, I do the dynos. Yeah, that's me.
Cool. Wow.
I am a rider too.
Oh, I never doubted that. It's just a small world. The people you see at different parts, you know.
Yeah. Look at this thing. That's a crazy looking pipe. Look at that. It's amazing how they get double pipes all twisted in that little spot. Yeah, it's like the same engine I got. I wish I had that power though. Well, it's been real.